What's up, everybody? So I'm on the Bolt today, and we're going to talk about the intro to the new build series that's happening on this channel. Stay tuned. So if y'all haven't seen the previous video, I'll link that in the description. We are doing a R3 build series on this channel. It's been a while in the making, but it's official. We're starting this, it's happening. So in this video, I'm gonna go over all the details, what's going on with the build, what's the plan, what do you get out of it with the Patreon. But yeah, so the start of this build is going to be starting probably in about 3 or 4 weeks, depending on interest as well with the Patreon. So there's going to be 3 tiers to the Patreon. We're going to have the entry level, just the general support, which is tier 1. That starts out at $3 a month. I'm not asking per video, just a donation per month. Just general support, access to the Discord server, which allows us to all chat together, talk about the build, and just talk about general motorcycle stuff too. It doesn't have to be all about the build. Like if you have common motorcycle questions, you can post it there. I just want to build a community around that, especially for the R3 as well. That'd be really cool to have an R3 Discord server pretty much. That's why I'm trying to build this as, in addition to the build. Alright, red light runner. Alright, but like what I was saying, next up is tier 2, coming at $8, 27 cents a day if you want to do that math. Have all the benefits as tier 1, but in addition to that, you'll get a little bit more behind the scenes look of the bike build, get a little bit more details. So the next tier is tier 3. So tier 3 comes in at $15 a month, roughly 50 cents a day. It's about 2 times the mid grade. But in addition to that, you'll get access to the giveaways, of course, the Discord, just like tier 2 and tier 1. We'll get access to the detailed build list, kind of like what parts I'm using, the dimensions. I'll try and share as much as I can in terms of what measurements you need, how to kind of do it yourself. That's why I want to try and make it as detailed as I can be. Since you're paying that much a month, I want to make it as detailed as I can and give back to you for helping support the build. All this money that I'll be making from the Patreon and the merch as well will be all going towards the build. I'm not trying to make millions like in my first video I said, but this is just to help offset the cost and help me run it, so I can do more videos like that. So I'll be having giveaways I would say I would like to do it once a month or maybe twice a month. It really depends. I'll set goals. It depends on how many patrons we have. So I'll be posting a link in the Patreon, so only the patrons will have access to this link. The way the giveaway is going to work, I'll be doing gift cards, gear, parts, etc. So for instance, 1 month, if we have 20 patrons, I'll definitely do a giveaway. I'm not trying to do 100 patrons. I want to be realistic. If we have 15, 20 patrons, probably do a $25, $30 gift card to Revzilla, cyclegear, any of those stores. I know Revzilla's has a bit of everything, parts for the bike, etc. So I think that would be a good gift card to give away versus an Amazon. Let's be real. If you support at tier 1, you get access to this giveaway. Each giveaway is going to be different. Some I'll be announcing at the Patreon as well in the post about what's being given away this month or this week, depending on how many people we have. I will be posting the link to the raffle site where you put in your name, all that. Whenever the giveaway ends, I'll be going live on Patreon and also Instagram, just to let people know, and you all can watch it live to see the winner. So all the giveaways will be private to Patreons only, so supporting, that's one way I want to give back. So just extra incentive for tier 3 again is the 2 times prize amount. So for instance, if the giveaway is a, let's say, $25 gift card to Revzilla, if you're a tier 3 member and you win, double that price amount, so you'll get $50 instead of $25. So since you're paying that extra money every month, or you're paying the top tier for that month, you'll get that double prize amount. So for instance, if we do a giveaway for a $100 or $50 gift card, bam, that's a $100 gift card instead of $50, and $200 instead of $100, etc. You kind of get the picture there. For gear, that you can't really times it by 2, I guess. It will be for money value only for the gift cards. And the way that I want to do it is like, if you win, I'll buy it, and you just tell me your size, and I'll send it your way. I want to run it as simple and easy as possible. I'm not trying to make this complicated. So thank you for sticking with me through this video. It's a lot of details and nitty-gritty whatnot, so just stick with it. So what I want to go into now is kind of like the build details, what's going to go on, how the structure is going to be. So first off, we're going to get the FZ-07. We're probably going to buy a new, not a new one, like a used FZ-07, and have that as a platform, so we'll have every single part that we need for the bike. If we need to take more than just the engine, the ECU, the harness, etc. So the way that we'll do it is, one, we'll fully tear down the R3. I want to do one last track day with it before I do that. Just a little goodbye to the R3 engine, because it still has value to me. It's a fun bike, and I'm going to miss that. But I have to think about the big picture. Having the FZ-07 engine in that bike is going to be crazy. It's going to be awesome seeing that come to life. So we'll be tearing down the R3 after the track day, get all the details down, see what needs to be done, what we need to buy. I know one for sure, I'm going to be doing a key eliminator for the track with the Woodcraft, so I don't even have to worry about ignition or a key for the gas cap, all that. There's a lot of things that are going to have to happen, and it's the faster or the more patrons that we have, the more support with the merch, etc., is the more giveaways and the more progress we can make on this build. If we have a lot of patrons, I mean, I could take some time off of work, and we can knock out like 5 videos in a week, like every week kind of thing. Like, we can knock this build out in probably a month if we wanted to. But I have to think about financials and just my time, and I can't dedicate all that time if the support isn't there. I mean, I still want to do it. It's just how fast I do it really depends on how many are supporting. You don't have to be supporting in a sense of the $15, $8, or $3 a month kind of thing. Like, at the very least, subscribing, liking, sharing is the biggest thing that you can do. I forgot how much fun this bike was, man. I don't ride this Bolt enough. It only has 8,600 miles on this thing, and it's a brand new 2015. And it's 2021. I think I got everything covered, so if I missed anything, I'll put in the comments. But I'm pretty sure that's it. Or if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you. But yeah, this build's gonna be one of a kind, and I'm excited to share it with y'all, and come join along the ride. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and support me any way you can. Will be super helpful, and I would really appreciate it. Like, y'all mean so much supporting with these videos throughout the years. Alrighty guys, y'all take it easy. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.